want to be a Christians that say, Jesus, help us. But we don't want to do anything for Jesus. We say to ourselves, Jesus needs nothing from us. Why? We as a Christian, it's our responsibility that we have to produce a good fruit. Because a good tree has produced good fruit. Good fruit needs to do something. The Bible says, if a fruit is bad with a good tree, it is cut down. It's never been blessed. But if a good fruit, which is attached to the good tree, you're coming to the church, you're a good fruit. But if you're not bringing sweetness from that fruit, you are stopping your miracles. You're stopping your blessings. You're stopping what God has planned for you. For I know the plans I have for you. Good plans. A plan to give you good life. Which means when you come to church, Jesus wants to give you good life. When you listen to the shepherd, Jesus wants to bless you.
Recently 3 days हो गए थे जिसकी वजह से मेरे सर में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन थी और मैं प्रे नहीं कर सकती थी, मुझसे प्रे नहीं हो रही थी कि मैं दुआ करूं और मेरा सर ठीक हो जाए। मैंने पास्टर जी कॉल भी नहीं की, मैंने कहा शायद मेडिसिन के साथ हो जाए, पर ऐसा नहीं कुछ हुआ। आज जब पास्टर जी ने प्रे की तो उस टाइम आई कांट बिलीव कि मैं